will you please introduce yourself?
Good day, sir, madam. My name is Marilisa Consul, 5 and 2 inches tall, high school graduate, single, currently resident, Block 21, Lot 25, APB Leeds Housing, Barangay Pinagsama, Western Bicutan, Taguig City.
Will you please tell me about your work experience?
As a domestic helper to Mrs. Claveria in Philippines, 2 years since 2007-2009.
What are your duties and responsibilities as a housemaid?
My duties and responsibility as a domestic helper is to manage all household chores and washing, ironing, clothes, and taking care of a baby.
Do you know how to take care of a newborn baby?
I know how to take care of born baby by feeding milk formula every 3 and 2 hours and birth the baby every after feeding, change diaper, change the baby to sleep by singing lullaby, giving a vitamin, check the baby temperature, and cleaning their feeding bottles.
Can you sing a simple children's song?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder up up the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
What will you do if the employer's baby crying for a long time? What will you do?
I will check the diaper if it is weak, or will check it is hungry but is still crying. Then I will inform my employer that the baby is crying for a long time.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly or an aged person?
Yes, madam. I'm willing to take care of an elderly person, even bedridden, since I still have my grandparents, so I can take care of the elderly like my grandparents might, helping them with their needs like taking their foods and medicine.
How would you handle unwanted children?
I will be very friendly and playful with them, so I could get their attention. I can take care of naughty children by playing with them, singing songs with them, teaching them an ABC, reading books, telling stories, teaching them how to read, write, teaching them and good manner and right conduct, also giving a love and care.
Do you know how to cook?
I know how to cook Filipino foods very well. Tinola, adobo, sinigang, many others also how to cook simple Chinese dishes like steamed fish, fried vegetable, fried rice, fried chicken, noodles, soup, and I am also willing to learn more.
Do you know how to operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to operate electric appliances like washing machine, vacuum cleaner, floor furniture, oven, toaster, microwave, and others. Yes, ma'am, I'm very much interested to learn components so that I could fully understand them, especially to the elderly.
During your day off, then your employer asks you not to take your day off because they have visitors. What will you do?
I will not take my day off and serve my employers together with their visitors.
How will you win the employer's trust to you?
I can win my employer's trust to me by doing my best to work hard and by being honest, dedicated to my work, and give importance to their things and properties, and I will trust my passport to my employer as a way that employer trusted to me.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of higher salary giving to the domestic helper. In this way, I can help and support my family to provide their needs and materials, financial matters.
Would you like to say something to your prospective employer?
Sir, madam, if you will give me opportunity to work as a domestic helper, I promise that I will very hard, obedient and trustworthy, and I will promise to finish my contract without using my problem. Thank you and God bless.